Hi, in this video, we are going to see how you can avoid nested blocks and not null checks to reduce the complexity of the code. I've taken a simple example of these two methods where we are doing very common operation where typically in Java world you would do. You take an object as input and you check for a not null and then do a lot of things here. But what one special pattern that you would notice is you're not doing anything outside this if. Now in this scenario, if you want to make this code a lot more cleaner, and maybe this is more of a preference thing, but what I've found more code simplification comes when you actually change this condition from not null to null and return the value. So what you could do it here is you say if s is equal to null, return, and then you can get rid of this nesting altogether. If you can see, there's no condition anymore because the first line itself returns and then on the code is without any nesting. So this simplifies, and it may look very simple right now because it's just one condition, but when you're talking about multiple objects and situations like these are very common in codes, it may simplify a lot, mainly removing the nesting. And here you're doing a lot of things with various different nesting. You may also have, let's say, further for loops or something like that, and each of them cause further nesting and makes your code more complex. So it is generally good to avoid more and more nesting to reduce the complexity of the code, and choosing between equal to null or not null is a choice that you should cautiously make. Also, there is even better way to do the same thing in the newer version of Java, especially after Java 8. The optional interfaces have come in, and that allows you to do even better way of doing the same thing. So don't forget to watch the next video that I'm going to cover about the optionals, and that should give you even better approach. Do the same thing in Java 8 onwards versions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and tutorials on similar topics.